Alicia.
And my name is Bianca.
And welcome to Quarantine Fun!
Hand sanitizer.
Because at this stage you all know that hand sanitizer is quite important.
But it's always sold out in stores.
So we thought it would be great to show you how to make it.
But don't worry, it won't damage your skin. But for the people with sensitive skin, just wait for it to dry and then use lotion.
Without further ado, let's get to it!
First of all, we'll need to prepare all our ingredients.
So here we have 50 milliliters of 99% aloe vera gel
and 150 milliliters of 99.9% isopropanol alcohol.
So right now I'm going to put the aloe vera gel into the bowl.
Now we need to add in the alcohol. I don't want to spill anything. It's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you just have to mix it all until it's fully combined.
Yep.
Okay, I think that's about done.
Yep.
And now Alicia's just going to add essential oil.
Yep.
Just a few drops.
Let's take this out. Ooh, smells really good. Okay, I think that's enough.
And now you have to mix it again.
Okay, now that we've done that, we'll need to put it in the blender.
Yeah.
Okay? So we'll see you then.
So I'm going to put the mixture into this little container.
As you can see, there is a bit of lumps.
Okay, let's get the lid out. Nice and tight. Okay, this is going to be loud, so you might want to cover your ears. Yeah, that's good.
So it's fully combined now, and we can still see some lumps, which is why we brought this.
It's a sieve.
Yeah.
If you didn't know.
Just it's a really big sieve.
Yeah. But any sieve you have is fine.
We're just using this really big sieve because, yeah.
It's just fine.
Yeah, so now we're going to add this mixture into the sieve. That's just about good. Okay.
Yep. Here we go. Nice.
So that is our hand sanitizer.
Okay, you can open it up.
You can already see that it has hand sanitizer in. So we're just going to refill it up to the top.
Yep.
Okay. Let's add it.
Be careful, guys, because it might spill.
It would be better to use a funnel, but
we're just going very slowly. Hey, that's
good.
all in.
Now we're going to give it a good shake so it's all combined together.
Okay.
And that is how you make hand sanitizer.
Should we test it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is quite watery, but don't worry, because it's just still hand sanitizer, and
That's how it's meant to be.
yeah.
Here we go.
And that is our hand sanitizer.
Hope you enjoyed.
My hands smell really nice.
Yeah, and they're so clean and moisturized.
Anyway, make sure to
Like, subscribe, and turn on post notification button.
Wait, before you go, I have a challenge for you.
Can you do it in 5 seconds?
Well, let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it?
Comment down below. that's it for today's video. Bye!